The creation of a high-speed interceptor begins with the extraction of advanced carbon precursors, the foundation of lightweight aerial agility.
Atomic-level purification ensures the structural composite can withstand the high G forces of kinetic interception. We weave strength into the very skin of the drone, preparing a composite shell that is both durable and expendable.
These alloys provide the rigid internal frame required to house the drone's high-speed motor and guidance system.
Precision water jet cutting allows for rapid, high-volume production of the structural components that will hold the drone together. Even at a $1,000 price point, the electrical architecture must handle massive power surges for rapid acceleration.
Total accountability ensures that every component in the supply chain meets the rigorous standards of a defense asset. Thousands of tons of raw materials are managed by an automated logistics brain, ensuring the production line never stops moving.
The materials are ready. Now, they enter the most efficient interceptor drone factory in the world.
Moving these strategic components requires a secure, underground artery, shielded from all external observation and thermal detection. Every pallet is scanned and verified against a blockchain manifest, ensuring zero-tamper delivery to the assembly core. Logistics is the backbone of the Interceptor program. Every motor, blade, and battery is tracked by the millisecond.
Speed and efficiency define the movement of parts, minimizing the time from raw material to a flight-ready interceptor.
These materials are now entering the inner sanctum of the Interceptor drone program. Beyond these doors, the drone's high-strength...
Every second of transport is optimized through a fully automated, AI-driven logistics network that never sleeps.
Protection starts before the first assembly, preserving the purity of the electronics for the life of the asset.
Total visibility ensures the security of the supply chain, preventing any deviation from the rigorous build protocol.
The components have reached their destination. The transformation into a drone hunting weapon is now imminent. The Interceptor complex is a fortress of rapid manufacturing, a hyperscale facility designed to build the future of low-cost aerial defense. Every entry is a digital filter, ensuring that only authenticated hardware reaches the heart of the automated assembly line.
Security here is just a gate. It's an AI-driven ecosystem that tracks every movement in real time.
Security and software are inseparable, creating a closed-loop environment where every asset is accounted for by the millisecond.
We monitor the facility's vitals through a centralized OS, ensuring absolute stability for the high-precision tasks ahead.
Each zone is a controlled environment, protecting the manufacturing precision required for high-speed interceptor drones. Purity is essential. Even at high volumes, the smallest surface imperfection can disrupt the flight profile of a hypersonic interceptor.
Total visibility ensures that the production blueprint is followed, with zero room for deviation.
The gateway is closed. Now, the manufacturing heart of the facility begins to forge the $1,000 weapon.
High-volume forging creates a structural core capable of surviving the violent G-forces of a terminal intercept. Every millimeter is sculpted to maximize heat dissipation during the drone's high-output sprint.
These blades are cut with micron precision to ensure perfect balance at 30,000 RPM. Precision at this stage prevents the...
Hardened steel ensures the drivetrain can handle the instant torque required to launch toward a target. We use ultrasonic technology to shape energy-absorbing materials that protect the sensitive guidance brain. Even the smallest fasteners are manufactured in-house to ensure total control over the interceptor's weight and balance.
Human inspection provides the final layer of quality, refining the work of the machines for a flawless fit.
Removing internal molecular stress ensures the airframe remains stable during the heat of a high-speed chase.
The components are forged, the alloys are hardened. Now, the structural assembly of the $1,000 interceptor begins. The airframe is unified, a rigid, lightweight composite shell built to endure the brutal physics of high-speed interception. Precision at this scale requires absolute control, rotating the internal architecture for millimetric alignment of the guidance hardware.
This internal skeleton is the foundation of high-speed flight, engineered to maintain its shape under extreme aerodynamic pressure.
Structural synchronization ensures the aircraft's profile is perfectly shaped for maximum aerodynamic efficiency and stability.
We lock the tension of every structural mount to a global standard, ensuring a lethal response in the heat of a high-speed chase.
The modular bay is the drone's tactical heart, designed to carry the next generation of precision-guided sensors.
Protection is layered into the design, shielding the drone's electronic senses from the violent vibrations of its own motors. Precision on a massive scale, ensuring the chassis is perfectly balanced before the navigational brain is installed. The chassis is complete. Now, we install the electronic nervous system that will drive the $1,000 Interceptor.
The drone's brain is seated, a high-frequency processor capable of executing 1,000-point-per-second flight corrections.
High-resolution optical eyes allow the Interceptor to lock onto the heat signature and silhouette of incoming threats.
Our Neuralink software reduces intercept latency, making the machine an extension of the operator's intent.
Heavy-gauge power lines form the muscular nervous system, ensuring zero-latency response for rapid kinetic maneuvers. A digital shield is raised, providing the Interceptor with the resilience to remain operational while finding its target.
The heart of the control system, converting digital commands into physical movement at the speed of thought.
We synchronize every digital heartbeat, ensuring the aircraft operates as a single, unified entity during high-speed combat. Self-contained power is essential, providing the massive energy required for the drone's final kinetic impact.
The system is now online. The brain is awake, and the $1,000 wet weapon is ready.
Automation at this scale ensures absolute symmetry, merging the drone's brain and body into a single aerodynamic entity. These ultrasonic welds create a seamless bond, ensuring the airframe remains rigid during high-speed, high-G maneuvers.
Listeners, we use AI-driven pressure sensors to ensure that every structural bond is strong enough to handle a terminal kinetic impact.
The drone's propulsion skeleton is seated, the most rigid and responsive platform in the Interceptor arsenal. Modular assembly allows for rapid repair and reconfiguration, ensuring the Interceptor can be deployed at a moment's notice.
We seal the interior from the elements, ensuring the guidance core remains operational in any weather condition. The final layer of connectivity, a high-bandwidth link that allows the Interceptor to receive target updates in mid-flight.
Structural protection is essential, ensuring the drone survives accidental contact before reaching its primary target.
The structure is finalized. The weapon is whole. Now, it must receive its tactical finish and protective hide.
Surface preparation is a precise science, ensuring the tactical skin bonds perfectly to the drone's composite frame. We apply a molecular shield, protecting the sensitive flight control electronics from the static electricity generated at high speeds.
Our tactical finish, is a specialized polymer designed to make the Interceptor nearly invisible.
Heat locks the tactical identity in place, ensuring the coating survives the friction and thermal stress of rapid acceleration.
Thermal management is integrated into the finish, protecting the structural integrity from the heat of its own motors. Every Interceptor is an authenticated asset, tracked digitally from the assembly line to the theater of war.
We measure success in light absorption percentages, ensuring the system meets the rigid requirements of low observable flight.
The hide is complete. The weapon is dressed for war. Now, the machine must prove its resilience in the simulation. We subject the airframe to extreme acoustic stress, ensuring every internal electronic bond remains intact during high-speed maneuvers.
From freezing altitudes to the heat of rapid acceleration, the Interceptor is engineered to remain operational in any climate.
Lethality is verified in a digital vacuum, ensuring the autopilot neutralizes threats with mathematical certainty.
Our autonomous guidance is hardened against the most intense electronic warfare environments, A precision mission is only possible
if the system is hermetically sealed, protecting the sensitive flight control processors from moisture and atmospheric pressure changes.
Hardened against the unexpected, the Interceptor maintains its flight profile even under direct electromagnetic interference. Perfect balance is essential for aggressive maneuvering, preventing any deviation during a terminal intercept sprint.
Energy management is verified, ensuring the drone has the power surge required to finish the mission.
Tested, proven, perfected. The transition from raw carbon to a lethal interceptor is complete.
In the final hour, perfection is the only acceptable result for a masterpiece of high-speed autonomous engineering.
Every moving part is primed for endurance, ensuring the journey from factory to the front lines begins with total protection. A strategic inventory ready for rapid deployment, supported by an environment that stops the clock on material aging.
The digital soul of the system is transferred, passing the legacy of the builders to the units that will deploy them. The transition is complete, from a static assembly of carbon and code to a mobile asset ready for the theater of operations.
Every interceptor dispatched is a tribute to the thousands of hours of precision engineering that forged it within these hidden walls.
And this is how modern defense factories build advanced systems from start to finish.
Connecting engineering, moving the industry, and defining the future of global defense.